Good afternoon. My name is Sandra Garcia. This is a proposal of evaluation. Okay. The population to assets is a group of Aboriginal students who belong to shelter in the department of Vaupés. Students receive 2 hours of English every day. The group is at the 16 students engaged in 12 to 60 years. Characteristics: young students between 11 and 16 years old. Time intensity for English class 2 hours every day to week. Understand your mother tongue. They understand Spanish, and finally the English language. In this part is necessary specific this activity because the learning English for the Indians is very difficult because the all methodologies for the learning English is based in experience and routine specific for the environment. But in Aborigines is very difficult because the environment is reduced and is is different for the traditions and the culture. It's necessary for the group is understand their culture, custom, taste, and preference, and you must have great motivation and initial level English for grade 0. Because why 0? Because the studies in and research for the learning English and the voice explain is very necessary understand the vocabulary Aborigine, because when the indigenous go to university and explains in English, it's very difficult, but don't have don't speak the vocabulary, and is very discrimination for culture, for tradition, for the history, and it's very important motivation for the learning English. And learning reports identify the real needs of these young people to learn English, starting from the culture and environment, generating an interest in the language without losing parts its traditional essentials. It's very important this part because the population English population in the moment is very reduced because for the statements, politics, and the different countries. Okay, for the activity or for the proposed evaluation, I chose the method total physical reports, TPR. The TPR bases the methodology of 3 fundamental aspects: the biogram prompt, the brain lateration, and reduction of threats. The biogram program is a very interesting because it's necessary and the activity is initial and listen the instructions. It's not necessary other activities. The program is very interesting because it's possible they use the activities, always the culture, dancing, customers, anything. The braille iteration is the speak for the learn English is necessary the right brain and right and left brain. And this moment, in this case, is this important the students interactive with the language. And reduction of the stress is very important this part because the group is expose the stress because for don't understand the vocabulary and anxious and is possible the allowing for the condition. For our Indians community, this method helps them to get a better understanding of the language and its based of the daily experience of each individual and becoming familiar with the vocabulary for their coexistent environment. And factor that is vital to learn a second language is not being anxious or stressed, as with this measure you are looking for pleasure and meaningful learning. Okay, the skills to develop. For this methodology, the tapier is the students first develop listening skills and speech involving natural and effortlessly. For a group of indigenous people, we can interact with songs and dance typical of their culture and thus gradually import the language for the old environment. Remember that for all population it's more difficult to assimilate a new language because they must make a dual effort to learn. Evaluation in English for a specific purpose. I shows a focused learning will carry out because the teacher is possible uh, first analysis relying in the situation because it's the look at the evolution for different groups in the learning English and analyze target situation because it's the a group similarly equally or difference in their same. Other characteristic is great interesting and enjoying materials. In this part is important for the artisanate in the group is a culture rich in the agriculture make the artisanate different. Establish general syllabus or topics and texts and produce detailed language skill syllabus. In this part is for the method of the TPR is and the listen and then they speak. And change language and still content on materials and make necessary adjustments. This evaluation for English for a specific purpose is very interesting because is advanced with the group learning the English is according for the learning in the case in the world. Okay, evaluation on through technology. In these parts, in Colombia, there are 102 indigenous peoples according to UNCLOS statements. 20% have a close proximity to technology. 14% are in transition in the novel and appropriate of these media, and 10% are far remote, should add the loss to the Amazon, Orinoquia, Chocó, and La Guajira. The evaluation of technology and the disruption of the Internet have brought invaluable benefits, but are challenges for everyone. Indigenous peoples are not the exception. It's something double-edged because they are exposed to the harmful content, garbage, or false information that is replicated by strangers. But one of the biggest challenges is the lack of training and awareness about technology, because in some cases, indigenous people let traditional activities aside because they are on Facebook, for example, no losing traditional vital for them. In this part, in specific pathways, Due to accessibility in the Bopes region and to internet does not have great coverage. And also beginner to get there is difficult because it is the part of the Amazonian jungle. Other group with, for example, in the Sierra Nevada, Santa Marta, the Cowis and the Arawas don't have internet because is the dangerous for the spirit. Is a great disaffiliate with the learning what the group average because is broke different paradigms because the culture and the distance, the opportunities, the exit for the university. In this case, the evaluation should be derived more than a numerical result to a significant learning of the language without losing its tradition on at any time. For this reason, it's proposed to hold a culture event with the crafts made by them so that an interaction with the community and feel more confidence with the new language when talking about everyday uses specific to their culture. As the methodology to be used in the TPR, we can also combine it with constructive science from the students to ensure that knowledge is built and learning is more effective. This is a part interesting this activity is the principal for the chose the group and thank you very much.